And we're back. Continue where I left off. Tape up the wires, put a rear light down. And the worst stint of weather so far here in Central Otago continues with another day of mist, cloud, raininess. But apparently that's normal for this time of the year. But I wasn't settled down around here yet because I remember, you know, August, September, whew, just beautiful days, clear skies, sun, and the most consecutive days of rain was like 2 days, and that was really, really bad, they would say. What's in the mail? Oh yeah. Hello, my new favorite thing. The starter relay / solenoid. It's not original, this one's aftermarket. I figured I'd rather go brand new than secondhand or original. So this is going to be interesting because this bolt is screwed and I can't get it out anymore because the thread's messed up. You need to make enough space to be able to cut it somehow. Old solenoid. Time for the new. Put some dielectric grease on there. Right. New solenoid. Will start the engine, go at it. So I'm not going to start the bike, see if it start engine goes. Back in business. Awesome. That is good. No more using the screwdriver like a bloody peasant. Let's throw some switches on the dash. I'm going to need, for now, at least 2. One for the fuel pump on off and one for the charging points on off. So I'll put 2 here, and there's always room for another one around there. Though here on the sides doesn't look too bad either. One on each side. Then I need to make sure it's just 2. Yep, I'm opting for the side. That way, in case I ever expand more on the dash, I'll have the space still. And I think it looks good too. Nice and snug pull. Really flick it around. My first switch on a rally dash. When I was on my first trip from Holland to Istanbul with a mate and back about 2010, and going through Romania for the first time, I saw a rally style bike, Africa Twin or Transalp, not Transalp, and it had a different dash, and the dash had switches, and that made such an impression on me. I was like, that is awesome. A customized dash with switches, you know, for something that you've put on there. Call me crazy, but that really did something to me when I saw that. And here I am today with my own switching power. I love it. Number 2, I also really like. Behold my brilliant wiring diagram. So we got the circuit here. We run a big plus red to the switch in the dash from the back. Then that goes to the bundle of pluses from the 2 charging points. Yep. And then the bundles of negative go back to the negative of the circuit. The other charging point in the rear, plus to the switch, and then to the plus on the charging point, and then minus back to the circuit. And they can be crimped together. Hook it up to the switch. Can continue finishing the hole for the charging point with a proper hole saw. That's a lot of dust. Jesus, as far as I know, that stuff ain't good to breathe in. Carbon fiber. Behold, charging power, USB, and the regular 12-volt socket. Beauty. I've got this neat little temperature gauge with humidity that I always used to carry in my tank bag, and I want to stick it here because that way it stays out of the rain when it rains. What I would like to know though, I can't find anything else online that could go on a motorbike. Yeah, so basically it has the temperature and humidity, even better if it has some sort of ice warning. But anybody know anything better than this or any other options? Let me know, because I've searched eBay and I can't find anything except these things. And they're neat, they work, they're cheap. Well, I gotta pack it up a bit because I'm going to need the bike. That's the thing all the time. Can't leave the bike dismantled, so I always have to spend time putting the bike back together, taking it back apart. That's how it is. But it takes some more time because of it. Tank's on there. Hose is hooked up. That's all we need is a saddle. That'll do. I always look pretty funky at times when I go to the supermarket, but at least I don't have to start the bike with a screwdriver anymore. So good. See, no leaks. So far, so good.